Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Robin, and today's video is about smoky eye makeup within 20 minutes. But technically, it's not going to be 20 minutes. This is part of Nars makeup artist certification, and as myself a Nars makeup artist, I actually have a certification soon for smoky and nude lip. I think it's pretty exciting for me to share how I do the smoky eye makeup in a Nars way, and also share Nars technique, and let's see if I can finish this eye makeup look within 20 minutes. Yeah, including my mascara, eyebrows, and my lips. Anyway, my eyebrow is actually done. My skin makeup is done as well. So I will time for roughly 15 minutes for my eyes and my mascara and my lips. I'm going to prepare some makeup products. First, black eyeliner is a Nars makeup staple, and then a concealer, and then a black eyeshadow, whatever, yada yada yada. I will get myself ready. I'm so excited. This is really exciting because this is something that I can share what is Nars makeup technique and the artistry, and within 15 minutes of time. Okay, so I have my phone here right now, and let's start. First, I'm going to start with concealer, and this concealer will blend the eyeliner that I'm going to apply next. It also works as a eyeshadow base. Goes over entire eyelid. A minute passed now. Then a black eyeliner pencil with a flat eyeshadow brush. So I'm just gonna draw it all over my eyelid, near to my lash line, to the eye crease. Okay, so blend it. On the other side. If I do on somebody else's eye, I can really do it even quicker and faster, really. I mean it. For my lower eye. Blending brush. Smudge the lower eyeliner well. So by using a concealer underneath the eyeliner pencil, it really allows this pencil to move on the surface of your eyelid, so you can keep blend it and spread it. Okay, I think I'll need a little bit more intensity. Okay, how do I look? And then loose powder on those edges. The loose powder will help further blend your eyeshadow and also create Nars signature cloud smoky eye. How do I look? Do I look okay? Next, black matte eyeshadow. I hope I won't mess up, especially on a certification day. 5 minutes and 51 seconds passed. Okay, I have 5 more minutes. You know, whenever I do this kind of certification or test, I always set myself a timing, like I will finish this makeup within how much time, and I will finish this makeup within how much time, and while I have left this much time, then I can still focus on more on this area for this much time. I'm pretty sure everybody does the same. Just keep blend with a blending brush that has a loose powder on, so I can really create this cloud effect. It's really important, the cloud effect. That's the Nars makeup staple. You can't ever forget the cloud effect. And now it's 7 minutes past, and I still have 3 more minutes. But I really think that on the certification day, I'm gonna use a white color eyeliner on my lower waterline. It's a smoky eye, but it's not a deadly smoky eye. 8.5. Let me just soften out here. You can see some patch there, right? 1 minute. Oh my god. Okay, so 1 minute left until 10 minutes. Okay, so 9:37. Flat eyeliner brush, and applying this black eyeshadow really near to my lash line, so I can kind of get rid of any gap between my lashes and this smoky eye. 9:40. I still have some time. It's okay. Because curling my lashes and mascara process is real quick. Black eyeliner goes near to the lash line. Okay. And I'll move on to my eyelashes. My eyelashes. Even though there's not much time, I'm still using half lash color because full lash color just doesn't work for me. Nars Climax Extreme Mascara. Okay, for the nude lip, I'm pretty sure I need to use 3 lip product. First, I'm gonna use this lip pencil, reshape my lips, and a little bit deeper lip pencil on the side to add dimension. So this is a gradient lip look. And then lastly, I don't have a lip gloss with me, so I'm just gonna use 13 minutes now. I'm just gonna use a Becca Ignite, whatever, liquify something. And then I'm just gonna give a little bit of hint of touch on my lips. It'll add extra dimension to my lips. Okay, so now I have roughly 1.5 minutes. Let me do more on my smoky eye. Smoky eye, smoky eye, smoky eye. Okay, now it's 14 minutes. I have left 1 minute to finish. I think I can really finish within 1 minute. Shimmery Skin Perfector. Also the other eyebrow bone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 15 minutes. I think I kinda okay with this smoky eye look, although can be a little bit retouched, especially here, inner corner of the eye. It maybe a little needs more further blend a little, but I think overall it's fine. It's fine. I will keep you updated, and once I pass the certification, then we can celebrate together. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really under pressure. It really has to be within 15 minutes, excluding my eyebrows. So I think on the certification day, I'm gonna put 5 minutes on my eyebrows to finish. I kind of like this look. I think I can pass the certification, but I'll practice a little bit more. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit your subscribe button and likes. So I'll see you again with a new video soon. Bye!